Amazon shopping tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks to help you find and take advantage of discounts on Amazon. 1. Use price tracking tools. Install browser extensions or use online price tracking tools like Camel or Honey. These tools can track price changes and notify you when the price drops on a product you're interested in. 2. Subscribe and save. Amazon offers a subscribe and save program where you can sign up for regular deliveries of items you use frequently, such as household supplies or pet food. By subscribing, you can often get a discount on the product's regular price. 3. Check lightning deals. Amazon's lightning deals offer time-limited discounts on a wide range of products. These deals usually last for a few hours or until the inventory runs out. Check the lightning deals page regularly to find discounted items. 4. Explore warehouse deals. Amazon warehouse deals feature open box, used, or refurbished products at discounted prices. These items are still in good condition and often come with Amazon's return policy. Look for the warehouse deals link under the Amazon.com header on the website. 5. Clip coupons. Amazon offers digital coupons on various products. Visit the Today's Deals section and look for the Coupons tab to find available discounts. Clip the coupons and they will be automatically applied at checkout. 6. Subscribe to Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime members enjoy several benefits, including free 2-day shipping on eligible items, access to Prime Video, and early access to lightning deals. Take advantage of these perks to save money and get exclusive deals. 7. Use Amazon Assistant. Install the Amazon Assistant browser extension to get personalized product recommendations and keep track of your orders. It can also notify you of deals, compare prices, and show you product details when you hover over them on other websites. 8. Sign up for Amazon's Daily Deals email. Visit the Today's Deals page and click on Get Deals under the Never Miss a Deal section. By signing up, you'll receive daily emails with deals on various products, ensuring you don't miss out on any discounts. 9. Utilize the Amazon Renewed section. Amazon Renewed offers refurbished and pre-owned products that have been tested and certified to work like new. You can find discounts on items such as electronics, home appliances, and more. 10. Check out Amazon's Outlet. Amazon Outlet is a section where you can find overstocked and clearance items from various categories, often at discounted prices. Explore this section for potential savings. 11. Consider third-party sellers. When browsing a product, check if there are third-party sellers offering it at a lower price. Be cautious and check the seller's ratings and reviews to ensure a positive buying experience. 12. Keep an eye on holiday sales. Amazon often offers significant discounts during major holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Prime Day, and other seasonal sales events. Plan your purchases accordingly to take advantage of these promotions. 13. Check for student discounts. If you're a student, sign up for Amazon Prime Student to enjoy exclusive discounts, promotions, and free shipping benefits. It's a great way to save money on your purchases. 14. Write product reviews. Some sellers offer discounts or free products in exchange for honest reviews. Consider joining review programs or contacting sellers directly to inquire about such opportunities. 15. Compare prices. Before making a purchase, compare prices on other websites to ensure you're getting the best deal. Use price comparison websites or browser extensions to quickly check prices across different retailers. 16. Utilize the Deal of the Day section. Amazon's Deal of the Day features deep discounts on a single product or a selection of items for a limited time. Check this section daily to find exclusive deals and save on various products. 17. Follow Amazon on social media. Amazon often announces special promotions, discounts, and deals on their social media channels. Follow Amazon's official accounts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on the latest offers. 18. Participate in Lightning Deals Early Access. As an Amazon Prime member, you get early access to Lightning Deals. This allows you to grab the discounted items before they sell out. Keep an eye on the upcoming deals and set a reminder to ensure you don't miss out. 19. Use the Save for Later feature. If you come across a product you're interested in but it's not currently discounted, add it to your cart and move it to the Save for Later section. Amazon will notify you if the price drops on any of the saved items. 20. Shop in Amazon's off-peak seasons. During less popular shopping seasons, such as after major holidays, you may find discounted prices on certain products. Take advantage of these periods to find deals on items that are not in high demand. 21. Combine deals with cashback. Use cashback websites or apps that offer cashback rewards for shopping on Amazon. These platforms can provide additional savings on top of any discounts or promotions available. 22. Consider refurbished electronics. If you're in the market for electronics, consider purchasing refurbished items from Amazon. Refurbished products are thoroughly tested and restored to working condition, offering significant savings compared to brand new items. 23. Use the Filter by Discount option. When searching for products on Amazon, use the Filter by Discount option to narrow down the results and see items with the highest percentage of discounts. This helps you find the most significant savings quickly. 24. Look for bundle deals. Some products on Amazon are available in bundle packages, where you can get multiple items together at a discounted price. Explore these bundle deals to save money and potentially get additional items you need. 25. Share Amazon Household. If you live with family members or close friends, consider sharing an Amazon household account. This allows you to share Prime benefits, including discounts and free shipping, while splitting the cost of the membership. 26. Opt for No Rush Shipping. If you don't need your items urgently, choose the No Rush Shipping option during checkout. In exchange for a longer delivery time, Amazon may offer you rewards such as promotional credits or discounts on future purchases. 27. Take advantage of trade-in programs. Amazon has a trade-in program where you can exchange eligible items, such as electronics or books, for Amazon gift cards. This can be a great way to offset the cost of your new purchases. 28. Join Amazon's affiliate program. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, consider joining Amazon's affiliate program. By recommending products and providing affiliate links, you can earn a commission on qualifying purchases made through your links. 29. Use Amazon Warehouse Deals for open box items. In addition to refurbished products, Amazon Warehouse Deals also offers open box items. These are products that have been returned by customers but are in like new condition. You can often find substantial discounts on these items. 30. Set price drop alerts. If there's a specific product you're interested in but waiting for a price drop, use price tracking tools or websites that allow you to set price drop alerts. You'll receive notifications when the price reaches your desired level. 31. Utilize Amazon's trade-in program. Amazon allows you to trade in eligible items, such as electronics, video games, or books, in exchange for Amazon gift cards. Check if your items are eligible for trade-in and receive credit towards your next purchase. 32. Check for manufacturer coupons. Some products on Amazon may have manufacturer coupons available. Look for the Coupon option on the product page to see if any coupons can be applied to your purchase. 33. Join waitlists for out-of-stock items. If an item you want is currently out of stock or unavailable at a discount, join the waitlist if available. If another customer cancels their order, you may have the opportunity to purchase it at the discounted price. 34. Utilize Amazon's credit card rewards. If you have an Amazon Rewards credit card, you can earn cashback or reward points on your purchases. Use these rewards to further reduce the cost of your future Amazon orders. 35. Take advantage of subscribe and save discounts. Subscribe to regular deliveries of frequently used items through Amazon's Subscribe and Save program. By subscribing to multiple items, you can unlock higher discounts, saving you money in the long run. 36. Utilize Amazon Pantry. Amazon Pantry offers groceries and household essentials in bulk sizes. By purchasing in larger quantities, you can often save on the per unit price compared to buying individual items. 37. Use the Amazon Basics brand. Amazon offers its own brand, Amazon Basics, which provides affordable and reliable products across various categories. Consider purchasing Amazon Basics products for quality items at a lower cost. 38. Shop for Open Box Electronics. Amazon offers Open Box Electronics, which are items that have been opened or lightly used. These products are often significantly discounted compared to brand new ones, providing an opportunity to save on electronics purchases. 39. Keep an eye on Lightning Deals Prime Early Access. As an Amazon Prime member, you get early access to select Lightning Deals. This early access allows you to grab the discounted items before they are available to non-Prime members. 40. Consider Amazon's pre-owned selection. Amazon's pre-owned section offers a variety of used products, including electronics, books, and more. These items are typically sold by third-party sellers at discounted prices, providing an opportunity for savings. 41. Participate in Amazon giveaways. Amazon occasionally hosts giveaways where you have the chance to win products for free. Keep an eye on the Giveaways section on Amazon's website to see if there are any ongoing promotions that interest you. 42. Check for seasonal sales. Amazon often offers seasonal sales, such as back-to-school sales or holiday-specific promotions. Take advantage of these sales events to find discounts on a wide range of products. 43. Utilize Amazon's trade-in program for electronics. If you're looking to upgrade your electronics, consider using Amazon's electronics trade-in program. You can trade in eligible devices for an Amazon gift card, which can be used towards your next purchase. 44. Follow Amazon review websites and influencers. Several websites and social media influencers specialize in finding and sharing Amazon deals and discounts. Follow these platforms to stay updated on the latest offers and potentially discover hidden discounts. 45. Consider Amazon Renewed for electronics. Amazon Renewed offers refurbished electronics that have been tested and verified to work like new. These products come with a warranty and are often available at lower prices compared to brand new electronics. 46. Check the Today's Deals section. Visit the Today's Deals section on Amazon's website to browse through time-limited deals, including discounts, coupons, and special promotions. This section features a wide range of products across various categories, allowing you to find discounted items easily. 47. Use Alexa for exclusive voice-activated deals. If you have an Amazon Echo device with Alexa, you can access exclusive voice-activated deals. Simply ask Alexa, "What are your deals?" or "What are your exclusive deals?" to discover limited-time discounts. 48. Consider Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. If you frequently shop on Amazon, the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card can offer additional benefits. This card provides cashback on eligible purchases, including those made outside of Amazon, allowing you to earn rewards on your everyday expenses. 49. Check for add-on items. Amazon offers add-on items that have lower prices but require a minimum order threshold. By adding these items to your cart along with other eligible purchases, you can take advantage of the discounted price. 50. Follow third-party deal websites. Numerous websites and forums specialize in sharing deals and discounts on Amazon products. Follow these platforms to stay informed about the latest promotions and price drops. 51. Sign up for Amazon's Early Reviewer Program. Amazon's Early Reviewer Program encourages customers who have purchased a new product to write a review. In exchange, they receive a small reward. Take advantage of this program to receive discounts on new products in exchange for honest feedback. 52. Check for limited-time Prime member deals. Amazon occasionally offers exclusive deals and discounts specifically for Prime members. Look for the Prime Member Deals section on Amazon's website or browse through the Prime exclusive deals to find additional savings. 53. Utilize Amazon coupons on baby and grocery items. Amazon often offers coupons specifically for baby and grocery products. Browse through the coupon section dedicated to these categories to find discounts on items you regularly purchase. 54. Consider Amazon's trade-in program for books. If you have physical books you no longer need, Amazon's trade-in program allows you to trade them in for Amazon gift cards. This can be a great way to declutter and receive credit towards your future book purchases. 55. Set up price alerts on third-party websites. Various price tracking websites allow you to set up price alerts for specific products on Amazon. When the price drops below your desired threshold, you'll receive a notification, enabling you to make a purchase at a discounted price. 56. Check the Amazon's Choice section. The Amazon's Choice label is given to products that are highly rated, well-priced, and available for immediate shipping. Exploring this section can lead you to discounted products that meet these criteria. 57. Take advantage of free ebooks and audiobooks. Amazon offers a wide selection of free ebooks and audiobooks through services like Kindle Unlimited and Audible. Enjoy reading or listening to these free offerings to save on entertainment. 58. Check for student discounts on textbooks. If you're a student, Amazon offers discounts on textbooks through Amazon Student. Take advantage of these exclusive deals to save on your educational materials. 59. Utilize Amazon's price match policy. Amazon has a price match policy on select items. If you find a lower price on an eligible product from a competitor, reach out to Amazon's customer service to request a price match. 60. Leave items in your cart. If you have items in your Amazon cart but don't complete the purchase, Amazon may send you a reminder or offer a discount on those items as an incentive to complete the transaction. Remember to stay vigilant and verify the prices, terms, and conditions before making a purchase. Prices and discounts on Amazon can vary, so it's important to double-check and compare options to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Happy shopping and saving! Thanks for watching.